I'm Ron Cisar. I'm here today in the beautiful Loess Hills of western Iowa with this beautiful winter environment behind me and surrounded by the majestic bur oak trees. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about a class I'm teaching here at Hitchcock called a Land Ethic Workshop, which celebrates the life of famous naturalist Aldo Leopold. Leopold left us a wonderful book, a Sand County Almanac, where he explored each month of the year and described all the different things that were happening around him. One of his chapters is called The Good Oak. And so here we are today with the good oak right behind me. And we learned a little bit about how important these oak trees are to the ecosystem of the Loess Hills and wherever they are surrounded. Bur oaks and oak species like them, they're an extremely important species. We call them a keystone species. They're so important in their ecosystem because so many plants and animals derive their nourishment from them, or something that gives their life a better chance to survive. Not just acorns, but places to live. Matter of fact, leading biologist once said that a single oak tree could have as many as 500 different types of caterpillars, of butterflies and moths overwintering in their bark. And over 100 different vertebrate species use the oak tree as a place of shelter or sustenance. To give you an idea of how important the oak is, we take a look at February in Sand County Almanac, and Leopold says in The Good Oak, there are two spiritual dangers in not owning a farm. One is the danger of supposing that breakfast comes from the grocery, and the other is that the heat comes from the furnace. To avoid the first danger, one should plant a garden, preferably where there is no grocer to confuse the issue. And to avoid the second, he should lay a split of good oak from the andiron, and preferably where there is no furnace, and let it warm his shins while a February blizzard tosses the trees outside. Well, Leopold had a very eloquent way of talking about the environment, whether it would be in the fall, the winter, spring, or the summertime. So if you're interested in learning more about the good oak and what it has to offer, I'd like to see you come here to Hitchcock, February 25th on a Saturday, 2 hours from 9 to 11. And we will share more about the good oak and talk a little bit about what's ahead in 2023 in our Land Ethic Workshop. Until then, walk softly on the earth.